And I'm getting ready to can my sliced potatoes. I'm going to dry pack them, no liquid or anything. Well, butter. I sliced the potatoes. Some of you can see my earlier video where I used the potato peeler and core, apple core. So I sliced the potatoes and I put some Scott seasoning in there and some butter and garlic powder. And I have those getting ready to put in with these. There are 9 total. I'll let you see what they look like when they're done. Okay, everybody, I was telling you earlier on the first half of this video that I was doing my potatoes and they're done. I got 4, 8, 9 jars of sliced potatoes. Remember, in my other video, I was telling you about the potato and apples, the potato slicer and the apple core. It works really good. So I put potatoes in the jars, and then I added what we call Scott seasoning. So if you see the brown stuff, the dark stuff, it's not nasty. It's the seasoning that we use. And then I put in garlic powder on top of the potatoes. And look how nice they came out. They came out good. Oh, and butter. It's got a lot. All these potatoes have a lot of butter in them. So when we open them up and fry them, they're going to be the bomb.com. I'm going to try to take you close. I have you on a stand, so let me see if I can do this. Try to take you close. Hold on. There we go. It's hard to do this. There. And there's my potatoes up close. All right. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.